I chose to live and teach abroad because I wanted to look back with no "I wish I had." I wanted to remember nights falling in love with strangers, getting lost in cities I would only visit once, and eating food that made me break out in a smile, and sipping drinks overlooking the most breathtaking views. I wanted to share all the love I have with the next generation, to open my students' eyes to a world they were only just starting to explore. I wanted to celebrate holidays I had never heard of, to listen to stories and music I did not grow up with. I wanted to tear down my naivety of the world and fill myself with as much knowledge and understanding as I could possibly carry. I wanted to listen and hold space for elders to share their stories of lives I have only learned about in diluted history textbooks. I wanted to learn how to speak new languages, to appreciate the cultures of my friends and loved ones. I chose to live and teach abroad because I want to know even just a sliver of the world outside my bubble, to connect with understanding the greater human experience of living, surviving, and finding joy in all the moments in between.